Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? How are you today? In today's video, I am going to be recreating James Charles' cover photo for his new Morphe palette collaboration, and I just love this rainbow look in the eyes. I'm not going to be doing much of the white, but I just got his palette. I also got all the Morphe brush set that he released in collaboration, and I just really want to recreate that eye look. So thankfully, Sister James has already released a video on how to recreate that look. Little does he know that I took motherfucking notes, okay? And I'm going to step by step try to recreate his eye look with his palette and his brushes and let you guys know the real tea on how the palette performs and if it works, if it's worth it, how I like the formula. And yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So when you open her up, it slides out like that, very, you know, protected with some bubble wrap and whatever. And then you take her out. Now I have swatched some of the colors, but I have not played around with any of this except on my friend's palette before I got this one, and I was immediately drawn to artistry. I was like, I need to have this palette. There's so many color combos. My friend was like, yeah, like he created this palette so you could make any eye look that you want. And shout out to my boyfriend for getting this for me. Such a babe, such a sweetheart. So just opening her up, this is what she comes with. A nice little protector, which is showing me all the names of the colors, and I'm going to be using that a lot because I wrote down the type of brush that he used and the type of color that he used. And we're going to try to recreate this down to the T, baby. Okay, so just quickly, I want you guys to know that I've put all the brushes in order that he uses them, just so I don't get confused, because besides the Jeffree Star Morphe collaboration Morphe brushes, I've never owned Morphe brushes. So these like numbers and names and stuff can get confusing for me. So I just got that ready, and with that, let's get started. So to start off the look, we're going to grab the M433 brush and we're going to go into the color Escape, which is this dark purple down here, and we're going to put that in the outer corner and just wing it out a bit. Up next, we're going to go in with an M433. We're going to go into the color Single, which is right next to the color Escape, and we're going to put that in the crease, and we're going to use it to diffuse the outer edges. Up next, we're going to grab an M441 and we're going to go into the color B, which is this bright yellow right here. And we're going to place that in the inner corner, a little bit of the nose contour, and into the crease region. Up next, we're going to grab another M433 and we're going to go into the color You're Kidding, which is this red up here. And this red is going to go in between the yellow and the purple. Alrighty, now he says that with that same brush, we're going to go into the color 518, which is this bright orange up here. And we're going to blend that between the yellow and the red and merge them together. Now we're going to grab an M456 and we're going to dip into the color Skip, which is this bright pink down here. And we are going to connect the red and diffuse the purple. So right there. Alrighty, you guys, now we're going to go in with the M456 and we're going to go back in with the color Escape, which is this dark purple over here. And we're just going to pop that in the outer V and create dimension as well as in the crease. Now going in with an M506 and a little bit of Spooky, we're going to lightly pack that into the outer corner and blend it out. Now going in with an M456 and back into Escape, we are going to be blending out that outer corner again. Alright, now going in with an M224 and a thick white concealer. We're going to cut the crease a little bigger than usual. Now, I don't have white concealer, so I'm just going to go in with Clown White by Ben Nye and just cut the crease a little bigger than usual. Alrighty guys, now using the M431 and a little bit more of that concealer, we're just going to diffuse the edges to make the cut crease look more, I don't know, diffused or smoky. You just don't want a harsh line. And now going in with the M166, we're going to go into Flashback, which is this bright white right here, and we're just going to set the concealer in place. Alrighty you guys, now in this part of the video he says we're going to go in with a fluffy brush and diffuse the edges even more. He doesn't specify what kind of brush, so I'm just going to go in with the M441 and just diffuse the edges of the white. Up next we're going to go in with the M124 and we're going to go into the color Acapella, which is this shimmery blue over here, and we are going to spritz that using the Morphe spray. And pack it in between the purple and the white. Up next, we're going to grab a dirty M456 in the color Cola, which is this dark blue over here, and we're going to blend that blue and that purple together. Next, he says that with that same brush, we're going to go into the color Hello, which is this shimmering light blue over here, and blend that in between the blue and the white. Now lastly, what he does is he adds two different types of glitter to the white part on the top lid. Now I don't have any glitter that'll go well with this white, so I'm just going to grab my Morphe M431 and the color Ring Light, which is this bright color up here. And I'm just going to put that on top of the white. Up next, he grabs the E48 brush and uses this to dust out any fallout. And now on the top lash line, we're going to do a very minimal wing just to hide the lashes we're going to be putting on later. So to start on the lower lash line, we're going to go in with the M456, the one that we previously used to do purple, and we're going to go in with the color Single, which is this purple right here. And we are going to blend that into the outer corner up. Up next, we're going to grab the M124 and the color Brother, which is this beautiful blue over here, and we're just going to pack that next to the purple right under the lower lash line. Up next, we're going to grab the M152 and the color Social Blade, which is this green right here, and we're going to be putting that next to the blue and blending it in, and we're also going to be creating sort of a new lower lash line with this. Up next, he says to go in with the M421 and some white concealer and create a new lower lash line. Now I checked this collection, it does not have the M421. I did not go back and double check the video to make sure that's what he says, so don't clock me on this. I'm just going to be using the M250-1 and some Ben Nye Clown White and creating a new lower lash line with it. Alright, up next he says to go in with a tiny liner brush, so I'm assuming he's talking about the 250-1. So I'm just using the clean one, double that comes with the set, and go for the color Daddy, which is this darker green next to Social Blade. And just pick up a little bit of that and go in right up against the white for dimension. Alright, now he says with that same brush go into Cola and do the same for the blue. So Cola is this dark blue right here, and I'm going to go right under the blue on my lower lash line and adding some dimension to that as well. And now same brush and same thing with the purple, so I'm assuming that means to go back in with Escape, which is the dark purple in the palette, and deepening up that purple on the outer corner. Up next, he says to go in with some glitter and fill in the white on the under, but I don't have glitter, so I'm just going to go in with a ring light and just powder that in to set it. Now for lashes, he did recommend to use wispy lashes, so I'm just going to pop some of those in, and he also said for fun, put some wispy bits in the bottom. Be right back. Okay guys, lashes are on, and I have to say I'm not really digging the bottom ones, so I'm just going to pop them off. There we go. And of course, last but not least, it wouldn't be a full James Charles look without some nude lipstick. Now, I'm not going to be doing the white paintbrush thing, which I think is dope, but I just don't have the courage to use the only white thing that I have, which is clown white all over my face right now. So I'm just going to add a nude lip. I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Love Me, Love Me Not collection. And I'm going to be going into the color Calabasas and just applying that all over my lips.
Hi sisters. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi sister. This video's a mess. I don't know what I'm doing. What? You gotta be kidding me. What is going on right now?
Alrighty guys, and this concludes my videos for recreating James Charles' iconic palette cover look. This is his eyes in the palette, and these are mine. Like, for the level of makeup that I do compared to him, I think I did pretty well for myself. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Of course, his video on how to get this look in further detail will be linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Sister James if you haven't before. Like, what are you doing? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like up this video if you like this video. I drop a new video every Wednesday, and I'll see you guys next week on my channel. Love you.